Hello guys, today we're gonna
Sering nga siya outing.
wait guys. Hello guys. Welcome to my channel. We're going to react to my video for the family start. Where do we start? And where will we end? The end of that video, so we're gonna make the part 4. I mean the part 2. Go to all this. Let's go to where is it? Start here. Let's see this.
दोस्तों क्या आप भी एक क्यूट सा टेडी बेयर लेना चाहेंगे? दोस्तों क्या आप भी एक क्यूट सा टेडी बेयर लेना चाहेंगे? दोस्तों क्या आप भी एक
I just want to actually think of funny, but not for me. Not the most funny in this video. My friend is controlling the dragons, and me controlling the dragons. When Godzilla, actually when Godzilla dance, my brother control it. I don't Eric Cassell already died, the creator of Black's Mix, only left David Baszucki. Yeah, that is not my worst. Where is my ignite? That means I got a wrong spell. Need to spell. Where's the one in at the night? So faithful. Philippines, America, China, China kinda Canada, Russia, actually happy.
What about
Siya pa nga po yung
Drawing. My
aking
drawing was
ginawa
when I was grade 2, bro.
ng job. So po, hindi ko natapos. Gagawin ko na pala po mamaya. So, dito muna yung gagawin ko drawing. Ito po yung drawing na yan po. Nag-i-school na po kami. Pero itong drawing notebook namin, pwede ka mag-drawing ng kahit ano-ano. Yan. Ano po ako nag-assign. Ay, ginawa ko po. Yung din ko. Ito pa po ko. Ayan.
In the shop.
Sino po magustuhan niyo itong video na to?
What's the next video, bro?
Lalo na sa Skibidi Toilet 65, mga tropa. Dahil sa mga isang malaman,
Oh my god.
Zoom na eh.
This is my oldest video.
Tuloy.
I just copied it. I still don't know how to CCTV on my video. So I get back from YouTube and bring back
Totoo
my
naman na
channel.
mag-imposter siya, di ba kuya?
saan nakuha ni Scientist Man ang kanyang artwork na suot-suot. Ginawa niya ng bayan kasi parang nakita ko na yan sa mga sneaker man, mga tropa. Ito
Kinuha niya nga, di ba kuya?
Pero syempre,
Kaya ka
So
mo
that's what Filipino YouTuber that called Dashiell, like our oldest favorite Filipino YouTuber, bro. It's actually from here. I can put I can put you because it's all full letters, so sorry, bro.
I baked apple pie.
What's the number, guys? It's 194. From the shop. Okay, that's my dad.
Why did you make me this way?
Why?
Oh my gosh, God. My brother actually videoed that, and that's my friend was wearing that not anymore. Yeah, it was fuck, bro. Philippines, America. Nah, Philippines win America. Bro, I don't have all my teeth that time, bro. Now they're all complete. Okay, just a finger up, and I'm cock. I know you're cooking. Ah.
早上好，中国！现在我要冰淇淋，我喜欢冰淇淋。
Guys? Is this Freddy Fazbear?
That's not Freddy Fazbear, that's like doping, bro. Doping. Bro, the speed.
Excuse me, bro. You're excused.
I just have my PlayStation 4, but now PlayStation 5. It's sad, but not my saddest story. I was curious. CR, I hate you. I'm angry, die. Good job, easy. This,
The baby.
that's not you, bro. That's my brother.
Sino yan? Sino to? Si Moon!
Excuse me, bro.
Diba?
You're excused.
Just to see you in the club. That's really nice.
And that's your problem.
Oh, that's so great. Monkey is angry. I just green screen that. I hide in the bed. Actually, guys, I'm hiding in the bed.
City was radio.
Guys, if you find me, I'm gonna give you $1 million. I found
Okay, guys, I will just AFK. Guys, if you find me, I'm gonna give you $1 million. I found this. No! Guys, if you find me, I'm gonna give you $1 million. I found this. No! Guys, if you find me, I'm gonna give you $1 million. I found this. No! Guys, if you find me, I'm gonna give you $1 million. I found this. No! Hey guys, let's go to the island.
subscribe my video guys in
Titan Blackman versus Titan
Titan Cameraman versus Titan Blackman. Please subscribe.
Freak. Bro, why is a tornado in the child? Bro, that's why there's a thing. Ang dancing parkour.
Lagi nagsasabi yan guys. Sa cellphone niya. Nagka-commercial eh. Nainis na ako eh. Ang gandang-gandang laro yun. Lagi pa ako natatayan. Nainis na ako. So dito muna pala yung aking cleanup guys na yan. Nakayalat yung nanan ko. Sana magustuhan niyo ang video na yan guys. Sobrang ganda po niyan. Sana magustuhan niyo itong video na yan. Para mano lang po talaga namin. Subscribe na din po kayo at ma-like, comment. Yan po. Sana po dumami yung subscribers ko and views. Views po. Yan, dyan po ako naiinis. Lagi yan natataya. So, sobrang ulo ko eh. Nagigil na ako sa laro niyan. Sabi akong tayo.
Hoy!
He-Man versus Titan.
Saan na lang? Wait guys.
Paano pala ako ito? Bakit? Nasabi sa search ko eh. Bakit nagyan na ng gas? Nakakapon pa.
Dilagyan na ng panig.
Magas kasi ako sa siya. Hindi lang.
Guys, I'm back! Figure versus Skibidi Toilet. My Skibidi Toilet eraser. Made, bro. Actually, my brother, when he was grade 4, because he graduated, I want to tell you guys. When my brother is grade 4, he was a Boy Scout. So
Ito nga guys, nawala lang ng kuya ko. So, dito pala yung aking pagka-drawing na hindi ko tapo. So, i-stop muna natin. Para guys, pag tingin nyo guys is tapos na siya. It's ready to listen in 3, 2, 1, stop! So guys, nagkamali po siya, nabura na po siya. Pero hindi pa lang po ang kanya nakukulayan. So guys, hanggang dito ulit po. At antayin nyo na lang po hanggang sa matapos siya. Ready to go. A few moments later. Yun nga guys, hindi pa rin siya tapos guys. At ginabi na po kami. At kaya po binuksan na namin ang ilaw namin para hindi po siya madiliman. So, dito ulit guys, kinabukasan siguro tapos na kami. Ready to go. A few inches later. So, yun na guys. 3 a.m. na po guys.
But I was super glad at the school.
I promise that the ending always stays the same, so listen up.
Why is my ordinary PS4 worth more than a PS5? It has to do with the scariest game ever made. 9 years ago, I downloaded a game called PT. I have to censor some of it because it's just so disturbing. PT was eventually taken off PSN, making PS4s that have it extremely valuable. But that means the average person can never experience PT. Until now, I used my copy of PT to port it to mobile. You can play it now on iOS and Android. I also made an extremely entertaining video showing how I did it, so go watch it. Why is my ordinary PS...
Upgraded Egoy, please.
Oh my god. Oh my
Upgraded.
god. Actually, this is good. I got this Bro, why am I holding my pants? I mean my
Channel.
pajama.
Kung nagustuhan niyo tong video ko, aking binablog. Mag-subscribe na din po kayo. At like. Hindi niyo po ako mag-speak na English. Tagalog. Tagalog na lang. Kaibigan naman po ng English. Kaibigan naman po ng Tagalog ang English. Di ba po? Kaibigan ng USA at Tagalog. Sana magustuhan niyo ito video at subscribe din kayo sa aking channel. Ang pangalan ay Marcus Enriquez. At marami din ang views dahil ang pangarap ko ay maging sundalo. So, ito muna guys, aking pag-vlog. Sana magustuhan niyo. So, bye-bye! Hey guys, kain tayo. Thank you. Kabog. So, thank you. Guys, kain tayo.
So big. I ate a tissue.
Meron playing ko.
Is my mom home?
So, this is my phone in my mom.
This is my phone in my mom. Bro, I still don't know how to speak English.
Now guys, is part 2. I'm
I'm
done.
making my own house burger.
2 months later. This is my house now, guys. Thank you for watching my video, guys. This is my house. Thank you for watching.
Tú me tienes
Yeah, but that hurt so much. Scary so much. Yeah, this is not actually my video. All of my video are actually just green screen of myself. This is all not mine. I only green screen all of them, so that's why I get banned.
There was this bully, right? Didn't even seem like the bully type. Walked right up to me and told me, "You look like a cookie bite." I said, "You could be right, but me, I'm not the looky type." So I walked away and then he hit me with a cooking knife. He said, "Did I tell you you would walk away, sponge?" I responded, "No," and then he hit me with an 8 punch all up in my face. And then I lost my patience. So I spun around and whipped out 2 of my ray guns. He said, "Oh no," and then he tried to run away. But I said, "Oh no, little homie, you messed up my day." So I got up to him and I punch him in the face. Then he hit me with some mace. It's like a taste, but I absorbed it without a trace. And I look at him and said, I'm about to put you in your place.
Yeah, they all shout. He's really God. He's calling his
Try not to lose your
Part
mind.
2, yeah, this is the part 2. That scared me, the part 1, so this is the part 2, guys. So we got to all part 2.
Until you make it to the end. Around the corner, you better feel your eyes and keep looking over your shoulder, 'cause you'll never be alone again.
I'm getting sleepy, guys. They're scaring my food. Yeah, when I got
There was one, but now there might be
I
three.
forgot this.
You turn around just in time. You hear a chuckle.
Yeah.
Si lo
When I
haces,
get
eres
the
pro.
next video, yeah, this After this, I will end my channel.